Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by picking one friend who wants a streak and confirming they are in your friends list. Send a photo or video snap right away, text chats don't count, and watch for the fire emoji. That's your confirmation. Once done, enable Snapchat notifications and set a simple routine because consistency matters. The platform requires daily reciprocal snaps. Finally, tell your friend to expect this habit so both of you stay aligned and the streak actually starts. You now focus on maintaining the streak. Send at least one genuine snap each day within the 24-hour window because Snapchat measures elapsed time between snaps. Use quick, repeatable steps, open the chat, take a photo or short video, tap send, so it becomes automatic. Once done, alternate simple content to avoid boredom. Still photos or short videos both count. Make sure both sides understand that only snaps, not text chats or stickers, preserve the streak. You finish by handling problems. If the streak disappears despite daily snaps, verify both users actually sent a snap and had working internet at the time, then contact Snapchat support with dates. Once done, update the app and check account status. Sometimes server delays or app bugs cause missing fire emojis. Make a backup plan, set daily alarms, use mutual reminders, or arrange a secondary person temporarily. Because proactive routines prevent most streak losses and keep your streak steady.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.